What if I told you that videos, cinematic videos, can now be created from nothing but a sentence? No camera, no actors, no editing software, just text, and AI does the rest. And here's the crazy part. This technology is advancing so fast that it's starting to reshape filmmaking, marketing, education, and even the jobs we think will exist in the future. Today, you're going to discover exactly how AI video works, why it's exploding in popularity, and what you can do with it right now before the world catches up. Before we dive in, let me tell you about John. Just 6 months ago, John struggled to make videos. He had ideas, but no budget, no editing skills, and no equipment. Then he discovered AI video tools. Suddenly, he could generate full scenes, from city drone shots to animated explainers, just by describing them. What used to take him days now takes minutes. Today, John creates polished videos for clients, grows his online presence, and earns more than he did with traditional editing work. John isn't a filmmaker. He isn't a tech genius. He's just someone who learned to use the tools early, and it changed everything. And now, let's break down how you can leverage the same breakthrough. 1. What AI video actually is, and why it matters. AI video isn't just another digital tool. It's a creative breakthrough. Instead of needing cameras, lighting, editors, and actors, modern AI can generate full-motion video directly from text descriptions, instantly producing scenes that once required entire production teams. This completely removes the technical barrier and puts high-end visual creation into anyone's hands. AI video also enhances, restores, personalizes, and automates content, which is why every major industry is racing to adopt it. 2. The core capabilities, powering the AI video revolution. A. Text-to-video generation tools can now turn a simple prompt like a futuristic city at sunset into a fully animated shot. This changes the game for ads, films, tutorials, and storytelling. B. Video enhancement and restoration. AI can upscale footage, remove noise, stabilize shaky video, color grade scenes, and even repair missing frames. Old footage becomes usable again. Low-quality content becomes crisp and professional. C. Hyper-personalized video businesses can generate thousands of customized videos at scale, each tailored to an individual viewer. Names, languages, visuals, products, all automatically inserted. This drastically boosts engagement and conversions. D. Avatar-based and multilingual content. AI avatars can teach lessons, deliver training, or present marketing messages in multiple languages with perfect lip sync. This unlocks global audiences instantly. 3. How AI video is transforming entire industries' education. AI created. Explainers, demonstrations, and simulations help students visualize even the hardest topics. Teachers can produce lessons faster than ever. Filmmaking and entertainment directors use AI tools for pre-visualization, rapid scene prototyping, digital doubles, automated VFX. This slashes production time and cost while encouraging faster experimentation. Marketing and advertising. AI empowers brands to produce massive amounts of personalized content at a scale humans simply can't match. This leads to higher retention, more clicks, and dramatically increased sales. Gaming. AI can auto-generate cutscenes and interactive story elements that adapt to player choices, something impossible with traditional animation alone. 4. The opportunity, what this means for creators, businesses, and beginners. A. The barrier to entry has never been lower. You no longer need expensive gear or editing experience. AI lets beginners produce professional-grade video from day one. B. Businesses can scale content production 10 times faster. Instead of spending weeks on one video, companies can now create entire libraries of content in hours. C. New career paths are opening up. AI video specialists, prompt designers, AI editors. These roles are rapidly emerging and in high demand. This isn't replacing creatives, it's empowering them. 5. The challenges and ethical concerns. A. Authenticity and trust. AI videos can look so realistic that viewers might assume they're real, which raises concerns about misinformation. B. Copyright and ownership. If AI learns from large data sets, who actually owns the final video? This is a legal gray area still being debated worldwide. C. Misuse and deepfakes. As with any powerful technology, AI video can be used responsibly or maliciously. Detection tools and watermarking systems are being developed to prevent abuse. 6. The future of AI video. The knowledge base highlights upcoming breakthroughs such as more realistic physics, more accurate human motion, real-time generation for games, fully AI-generated films. AI won't replace human creativity, it will amplify it. The future belongs to creators who learn to collaborate with these tools. 7. Final takeaway for viewers. AI video is the biggest shift in content creation since the invention of digital cameras. Whether you're a filmmaker, a marketer, a teacher, a business owner, or a beginner with zero experience, AI video gives you the power to create anything you imagine, faster, cheaper, and more creatively than ever before. The question is no longer, will AI video change the world? It's, are you going to use it or be left behind?